Satay curry is so good and it only has 5 ingredients.
Just a couple of tablespoons of the coconut cream that I'm going to use to fry my curry paste. And you want to do this pretty quickly. So I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons in here of Thai red curry paste. And when you're looking at curry paste, just check your ingredient list and choose the one that's got the least amount of sugar in it, because some of them can be, really quite sweet. So I'm just going to fry this, and you want to be careful because you don't want it to burn, and that's cooking pretty quickly. So I'm going to turn it down to medium high, and that's starting to smell really amazing. So then we're going to get the rest of our pan of coconut cream in, and the fat in coconuts is really good for you. So I'm always all about the full cream option. This is a really creamy can. All we want to do is just get that mixed in and let it come up to a simmer, and we'll add peanut butter. I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, and again, peanut butters can have a lot of sugar added to them, so just check your label and make sure all it's got is peanuts and a bit of salt. So when you've got your peanut butter mixed through and your sauce is looking nice and smooth, then we can get the chicken in. So I'm just using some chicken thigh fillets. I only actually had 2 in the fridge, so normally I'd use 4 for 2 people. I've just sliced them into bite-sized chunks, fairly fine, just so they cook fairly quickly. Let's give it a good mix in, and then you just want to simmer the chicken and the sauce until the chicken's cooked. The chicken's been cooking for 5 minutes, and I've taken a piece out and had a look, and it's definitely cooked through. To finish this off, I'm just going to pop in the baby spinach leaves. You don't have to do this, you could just serve it with rice or whatever you want, but I just want some greens just to make my curry a bit healthier and lighten it up a bit. Oh, and I also had a taste while I was letting it simmer, and it didn't need any salt. It's just depending on your curry paste and your peanut butter, you may or may not. And sometimes something like this might benefit from a squeeze of lime juice, but I'm pretty happy with how this is tasting. Just stir the baby spinach in until it kind of wilts through like that, and then dinner is ready.
So before we go, I better introduce myself. My name's Jules Clancy. I'm a food scientist from Australia, and I teach food lovers how to cook without recipes so that the cooking feels easy and relaxing, and also so they feel good in their clothes. One of the things, apart from the simplicity that makes my recipes unique, is that I always include a list of variations for different dietary requirements. So for the chicken curry, of course, if you're not a chicken eater, you could use beef, pork, lamb. If you're a vegetarian, tofu works really well here, or canned chickpeas or other legumes work really well. If you didn't have any Thai red curry paste, you could use a curry powder. So just rather than having 4 tablespoons, you'd probably want 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. And if you didn't have coconut milk, you could use almond milk or the dairy-free milk options. And if you didn't have baby spinach, this is really good served with better cauliflower rice or this broccoli rice, or you can serve with regular rice as well. So hope you've enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you soon.